what's up everybody? It's Artist. And in this video, we are going to look at the extension Quokka.js, which gives us the ability to get live feedback while coding in your IDE. This amazing tool is very beneficial to not only beginners, but for seasoned developers as well. This essential extension provides previews of functions and calculated values for variables. According to developers, Quokka.js is a rapid prototyping playground which runs in Visual Studio Code, Sublime, and Atom. I personally have been programming for about 2 years and I still consider myself a newbie. I recently decided to take the dive into learning JavaScript and found it to be a bit cumbersome to simply practice some code. One thing that I was not fond of from the very beginning was that in order to simply get some practice, I would have to either open a console panel in the developer tools from the browser or use an online JavaScript playground like JSBin or the also popular CodePen. But my personal preference was to use an IDE, and my IDE of choice is Visual Studio Code. So in order to install Quokka.js in Visual Studio Code, we're going to go to extensions. In the marketplace, we're going to search for Quokka. It's the first one that comes up. We're going to click on it, go to install. All right. Please note that there's also a pro version, but we'll be using the free version. As you can see, I have a tutorial file opened up. All right, in order to get our live preview on Mac, we are going to press Command-Shift-P and then type in Quokka, and then we're going to select Quokka.js start on current file. After we select that, an output pops up in the bottom. We could just X that out. And voila, your live feedback is up and running. Every single example has a console log. In example number 1, I'm calling a function that's getting the log from some variables. Example number 3, I have an if statement that's based on example number 2. And in example number 4, I have a JavaScript object and a for loop and outputting that. All right, so if you like what you saw and you're interested in seeing more videos like this, then click that subscribe button and see you next time.